This is a walk around of the CAS DRAG'N, the first towable direct feed slinger. When in tow, we've got a pedal hitch setup that breaks away for operation, swings out of the way. Once we swing our pedal hitch out of the way, the machine hydraulically drops down on these pedestals so that you can bring your dump trucks in and direct feed the hopper. This creates some serious advantages in efficiency, eliminating labor and other potential equipment on site when utilizing the slinger. This particular machine is set up with our side feed conveyors, great for doing organic material, bark mulches, soils, things of that nature. We do also have a clamshell hopper option for guys that are just going to be doing sand and gravel. This machine is equipped with our heavy duty abrasion and impact resistant belt as well. And up here just above the hopper on this particular machine, you'll see that we have an auto watering system to wet the material, so on site you can control your dust. Now we're going to transition over to the hydraulics and engine. The CAS DRAG'N is powered by a 145 horsepower JCB turbo diesel engine. This engine does have DEF on it. We've got our fuel system right here. We use a Have hydraulic system on the DRAG'N. We've got 2 valve panels on here for operation of all the functions. We also have a complete digital control system. This provides some huge advantages to the customer in not only being able to set the parameters of your machine, but also in troubleshooting when you do need service work done on your DRAG'N. The machine is fully remote controlled as well. So once set up and ready for work, we pair our remote control, all operational, great for placing material at an optimal vantage point when running the DRAG'N. We move down here. We do have stabilizer jacks on this machine. We set those down when in place to make sure that the DRAG'N has a nice stable setting before operation. Now we're going to talk about our placing conveyor. Here we have our pivot. The function of the pivot, as you can see right now, it's extended and it puts your placing conveyor directly underneath your feed belt. The other position would be fully extended out to the other side when racking and stowing your placing conveyor. When we have our material coming off of our feed floor, it drops down into our funnel attachment, so you can see there's virtually no mess when operating this machine on site. Inside of our hopper, we do have removable baffles, so depending on what type of material you're running through the machine, not only is it useful in keeping it clean, it also helps a lot with flow of the material. As it comes out of our hopper into our settling tube, all of our machines do have a hydraulically driven super shield on them, helps to pack the material on top of that PC belt so that you get good trajectory with your material as it comes off of our placing conveyor. We have a 14-inch placing conveyor on this machine. It can put material out to 150 feet at up to 3 yards a minute. We do have our CAS high abrasion heavy duty placing conveyor belt on this machine. We also offer an attachment that fits on the end of our placing conveyor as a deflector shield to give you options on how you're placing your material.